Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you how to add more than one status in WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and also put your likes under this video. And let's get started friends. To begin with, of course, open in the WhatsApp app itself on your device. Now on the bottom left, go to the Updates option. And now if you already have an added status or a short WhatsApp history like in my case, you might want to add another status. But don't know how to do it because always to add a status people usually click here on the green plus sign. And when you already add one status, then it disappears. So what do? Well friends, there are two scenarios you can follow. The first is to click on the word My Status. You get a window like this and just click on Add Status. So you go back to creating a status from a photo, video, or text. And you can display several of them like this. Or friends, right from this page, just click on Pencil. And you'll be taken to creating a status in text, photo, or video format just like that. Once you create that status, you can then display it. And again, you can display multiple statuses and not limited in number. So this is the way you can add more than one status in WhatsApp. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. Goodbye.